Hi, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. I am also fit and fine. Grace of God Almighty Allah. Once again, in front all of you, Ronnie Learn English. Today I talk about English subject and English language. Are two things are same. This totally not at all. English subject means English subject. Of our country, English is very compulsory subject, and we are lots of time behind of English and struggle a lot. We are academic study, we are academic background. Most of the persons of our country there have subject of English, but why they can't speak English fluency? They can't speak English properly. This is the things. But English language is totally different. You have think English is just language. English gives us communication with others, especially foreign country. In this situation, in this modern area, more than 400 million people, their mother tongue is English. So you think this is the one of the language, and subject is different totally another things. If it's was if there is no, you can speak English properly. Most of the students of our country, they are have compulsory subject of English, but they can speak English properly. So you think English is different and English language is different. So as usual, common subject. So my dear brother and sisters, I always appreciate you. I always motivated you. You have to learn English language. Keep learning, keep practicing. Just language. English language is very demandable and easier and very powerful language in modern area. You have to learn English. You should learn English language especially. So I don't want to make it more longer. My dear brothers and sisters, keep learning, keep listening, keep practicing. You will be fluency of your destination, means English language. You think English totally different, English subject totally different. English subject, English language give me communication with others. So this is the very power and demandable things. So we should learn English language. Assalamu alaikum.